Today, we're going to be showing you how to debadge your vehicle. What debadging means is taking the badges off your vehicle. It gives the car a sleeker look, and it's a way to do it easy, little modification to make you stand out from the rest. I like doing it because I don't like chrome for one, and I just think they look gaudy and they don't give the car a good sleek look. It's a very simple process and you only need a few things to do it. I recommend using a heat gun, but you don't have to, but using a heat gun will make the job easier. There's 3M tape on the back. It's a double-sided tape that holds the badge to your vehicle. Once you have it heated up, or if you decide not to heat it up, you're going to want to, pull off the badging. Do not use anything like a screwdriver or any sort of pick tool or even a knife. Don't use anything like this. You can risk damaging and scratching the paint. I know they're called non-marring tools, but I wouldn't even recommend using this because this could also put little scratches in your paint. What I use is fishing line. I have here 50-pound fishing line, or you could use dental floss. One of my buddies, he swears by dental floss to remove his badges. I prefer the fishing line. And then you're going to want an eraser wheel. Okay, so we're ready to rock and roll and we start removing these badges. First thing you want to do though, is if you come in close here, you can see all this nasty dirt and stuff. Let's go ahead and remove all that with a nice little wax and grease cleaner or an alcohol wipe or anything. So we're ready to rock and roll after you got that all cleaned up, and I'm going to have my apprentice Larry get started on this. All right, Larry, let her rip, tater drip, start taking that badge off. Larry, not with the chainsaw! Clean up your area to get this off. You don't want any dirt that you're going to be smudging and dragging through the paint. Clean it the best you can. Come in with your heat gun now. You're heating up the metal around to help loosen up and soften that double-sided 3M tape. And you're just going to get behind it. And almost like you're flossing your teeth, you're going to start wiggling. Don't use any sort of metal, wire, or anything doing this because you can scratch your paint. And then you're going to be needing paint work. Man, I really gotta pee. The next step is you're going to come in with your eraser wheel on your drill. Don't have it cranked up on the highest setting. I put it on low. All right, now you got to do and it just eats it away like nothing's there. Try and do it from this angle so you can see. Kind of satisfying to watch, I think. We're going to come in again. You can see we got an outline here. And that's just dirt. Give it a good rub in. And just look at that. Now you got a perfect seamless finish. The next one we're going to be addressing is the Latitude Edition badge here. Also, don't like the look, don't care for it. Looks so clean. So it's good. It's all seamless. Looking fantastic. And we better go see how Larry, the apprentice, is doing. Because I think I made him cry. Larry, you good, bro? You doing wearing the same shirt as me? Because Mom said we need to dress a little bit more alike. We've been over it 5 times, Larry. We don't have the same mom. Why do you keep thinking you're my apprentice? You don't got the same mom, but I don't care. You threw the basketball at me. Larry, dude, it was a football, not a basketball. What are you doing anyway? Why are you just sitting on the floor with chalk? Where'd you even get chalk from? That we're trying to fix cars. Not chalk, chalk in a can. Chalk in a can? That's my new body filler, you!